Wow. This is beautiful. That is our ridge. So we're gonna go to Pocatera Cirque, up and around to Grizzly Call, and then up on top of Grizzly Peak, and then along to Highwood Ridge, and then drop back down the north side of Highwood. Beautiful day, and there's nobody in here. Not a soul. They're all at Ptarmigan Cirque, I think. Good boy. Wow. Look at Paradise Valley. You can see the fireweed like a kilometer away. I bet there's a bear down there. Let's see if I can find a bear. This way, kid. Summit of Grizzly Peak in under 2 hours. I should sign the summit register. How lucky am I that this is my backyard? And I can come here anytime I want, day or night. This is just stunning. Look at that valley. No wonder they call it Paradise Valley. Okay, from here, I can get down this, down to that. Go away, snow. Actually, there's that brave cutout. That way, yeah, that way's better. Lower consequence. 6 and 1. That piece was a bit of a little crux, probably still rated easy on the scrambling scale, but I'm not a scrambler and my scrambling tolerance is low, so it is a Jody moderate and everybody else easy. Okay, coming down that. It has been so far my crux. I hope it remains my crux and that there isn't a cruxier crux coming. Just pausing for a wee bit of a mental health break. This is definitely more exposed than I usually like, but I know I've done this kind of stuff before, so I can do it again. That's Ptarmigan Cirque in there. That's where all the crowds are today and every day. We are gonna head, I think it goes there actually, there. And then we're gonna go up that. And then it's all downhill from there. How do we, I think I have to go up that now. But then can I drop down? Let's see. I don't want to go down and around this. I think I can get down this. This little chute is too steep for me to go up, I think, so I'm gonna try and find a way around it. I just had a lovely uncontrolled glissade down that, so I'm all bashed up. But worst case scenario, we go down the creek, right, Brave? And I've kind of always wanted to see what's in there. It's not the worst thing in the world if I have to go down that way tonight. Because this just feels so hard. I don't want to scramble anymore. I just want to run. I should just sit here and cry for a second. How do I get down this? Put my foot on that. Let those go. Try not to follow them. I think I need to cut across. Oh my gosh, I don't like this. Where is a handhold here? There isn't one, but I want to try and get my weight on that. There we go. There. And like that. And like that. Okay. Okay. All right. Progress here, and then I tried to go back up this way, but that slope is really loose, and it just wasn't safe to do, and there's really no other accessible way for me as a non-scrambler to get up onto that ridge right now. today. So what I'm gonna try and do is make my way out Paradise Valley. There's no trail in here. And Storm Creek is, you see right where the green turns into blue, right behind the green? That should be Storm Creek, and then I should be able to get out onto the highway, onto Highway 40, and then hike back along the road. But I'm gonna stay high here, just on the off chance that there's an easy way up South Highwood, because from there then I could come back up this way. So that's the plan. Okay, I'm gonna try getting up this stupid thing and see if I can get back onto the Highwood Ridge this way rather than bushwhacking all that way down in Storm Creek. This is gonna be an annoying pain in the rear, but I think it's doable. I found this old stream bed that has some good handholds. It makes it a little easier to get up than just going straight up the grass. Ascending our final hump of the day, which is the Highwood Ridge summit. I am completely worn out. This one took a lot out of me. Plus, it was snowing, and I am very cold intolerant. I operate best at about 27 degrees. And it's like 3 with wind. I see Plateau Mountains in the sunshine. Should have done that one today. All right, so we gotta go down this, and we are gonna go slowly and carefully all the way down that ridge, back to the truck. I'm hoping to be back to the truck within an hour. Let's time ourselves. I don't think I've ever been the only vehicle in this parking lot before. This is a rarity.